In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil or service indicator on a 2021 Kia Sportage. Pretty easy process. Takes just a little bit to get to the right spot on the menu, but once you do, it's not too difficult. So what we're going to do first is on the right hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to press this menu button, and then you'll notice as we go through it on the dash, there's all these different settings. You're going to go to user settings. Then using the up and down, you're going to go down until you get to service interval. When you do, press the OK button. Then it pops up a screen like this. So on this one, the service interval wasn't set, but you can go down and adjust the interval. And then once it's been set, to reset it, you're just going to go to reset and then press the OK button. It's going to say, would you like to reset the time and distance? Again, we'll press OK. And now the interval has been reset. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.